Pop, ping. That's the sound of warfare in my dreams. Thunder because of the fight. All the tension has made all of my nerves so tight. Trying to find and trying to become free. Rescue me in my dreams, do I decree. Stepping into the place, into the realm that I've been chosen to reside in, knowing that victory is mine, and I know that I will win. And so I'm encouraged because of, even though in the midst of the fight, in the midst of the battle, it seems so tough, it's so stressful, the pain is so rough, but I will keep my head up and I will continue to fight, because it's just a matter of time that victory in my possession will taste so